Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine. And you all know that we are doing grammar. We have done lesson 11. So today we are going to do lesson 12. It is happening now. Okay, the doing words which are happening now. So that we are going to learn today. Lesson 12. It is happening now. And we will do exercise 1. Which exercise? Exercise 1. Okay children, I hope now you all have understood. So what we are going to learn today? See here. We are going to learn, see your learning points. We will add ing to the words to show what is happening now. Understood? Add ing to the words to show what is happening now. Now what it is happening. Happening. Okay children? So we will revise. First we will learn how to add ing to the words. Okay, in lesson 11 we have learned to add ed. Today in lesson 12 we will learn to add ing to the words to show what is happening now. Okay, we add ed to show what had happened before. We add ing to show what is happening now. Okay children, can you find the difference? Add ing to the words to show what is happening now, and we added ed to the words to show what had happened just before, not now. But today we will learn add ing to the words to show what is happening now. Understood children? Yes. Now see. See what these people are doing. First we have to see what the people are doing. See here this baby. What is the baby doing? Yes, you all know what is baby doing. The baby is very good. See here it is written. I am showing you. The baby is crying. Is crying. See, cry is doing what? You all know, no? We have added ing. Cry, crying. But we will add is also. The baby is crying. See, now it is crying. What is happening now? Now the baby is crying. The baby is crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. Okay children? This action is happening now. Yes, now the baby is crying. Okay? Yes. See now. See this picture. There is a mother, there is a child. Mother is, and there is a child. See the child and mother. Mother is working on the computer. See here the mother. Can you see the mother? Mother is working on computer. Can you see mother working on the computer? Yes. The mother is working on the computer. See here, this boy's mother is working. There is a computer here, laptop type. Okay. So, is working. W-O-R-K, work. We have added ing, working. Understood children? Mother is working on the computer. See the difference? The action is happening now. Now it is happening. Mother is working. It had not happened before. It is happening now. Okay, children? Do you understand? It is happening now itself. Mother is working on the computer. She is working on the computer. Okay, can you make a sentence of this boy? Yes, boy is drawing. Very good. Is drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Draw. So, drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Drawing. He is also drawing. He is also doing some work. Understood? Mother is working on the computer. Okay, children? See now next picture. See here these children. They are playing. All these three boys are playing. Okay? So, what will be the sentence? The children. See, there are not one. There are many, more than one. There are three children, more than one children. So, we have learned before, no? More than one, we are using are. So, the sentence is, the children are playing. See, the action word is play. P-L-A-Y, play. You have to add I-N-G. Playing. The children are playing. The children are playing. Okay, children? Yes. Now you have understood this? What the children are doing? Yes, they are playing. The children are playing. They are playing now. The action is going on. It is now, happening now. They are playing. Okay? The children are playing. The action word is play, but we have to add ing. It is taking just now. It is going on. It has not stopped. It has started but not stopped. The children are playing. It is happening now. Understood, children? The boys, the children are playing. Very good. Now you all have understood? Very good. Now see the next picture. See here, there is a waiter. The waiter is serving food. The waiter is serving food. Understood? The waiter is serving food. See this waiter? He is serving food to these two persons. Understood? The action is happening now. So, is serving. S-E-R-V-I-N-G. Serving. See the spelling. The waiter. W-A-I-T-E-R. Waiter is serving food. S-E-R-V-I-N-G. Serving food. Okay, children? Yes, the action is happening. Okay? Yes, very good. Now see. You want to see? Yes. Can you tell me next sentence? See the picture and can you make another sentence? Yes, of these two people. What we can make? Very good. We can make, see I am tell you. The two peoples are sitting. Two people are sitting, no? So, are we are using. They are more than one. So, we are going to use are. Two people are sitting. SIT, sit is a action word. But we have to use ing because it is happening now. Okay? The waiter is serving food. Now see. See this. Can you see? Yes, the girl is reading. Girl, there is a girl. She is reading. So we will read the sentence. Pia, the girl name is Pia. Pia is reading a magazine. Pia is reading a magazine. Magazine. She is reading a magazine. The action is going on. It has not over. It is not over. Understood, children? So Pia is still reading. Action is happening now. She has not closed her book. She is reading. Pia is reading a magazine. There is a magazine in her hand and she is reading. She has not stopped reading. The action is happening now. It is, yes. Action is happening now. It is going on and on. It has not stopped. Okay, children? So, do you understand what I told you? So, it will become read, reading. R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. So, can you read the sentence? Yes. Pia is reading a magazine. Okay, children? Now see. We will read this so that you will understand it properly. See, now we have seen that highlighted words with red color words, no? So we will see. The highlighted words tell us about the things that are happening right now. See, I showed you highlighted words, the words which were in red color. Yes, they are showing that the things are happening right now. Okay, children? So what we did in that? We add ing to the words to show what is happening now. What we do to show happening now? We add ing to the words. Understood, children? Yes. See, once again I am reading this. The highlighted words tell us about the things that are happening right now. We add ing to the words to show what is happening now. Understood this? Yes. Now see. Now you have to do. Add ing to these doing words. Now you all know, no? What you have to do in these words? You have to add ing to show that the action is happening now. These are doing words, no? For that, you have to add ing. In the lesson number 11, to show the action happened just before, we add ed. Understood, children? But to show the actions are happening now, we add ing. Okay, children? Do you understand? Well and good. Now see, number 1. Brush. Brush. What we have to do? See, I will show you one. Brushing. 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 Brush, brushing. Brush, brushing. We have added ing. Okay, children? What we will do? Brush, brushing. Now see number 2. Copy. 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 Tell me now, you know this. COPY, copy. What I have to do? Very good, those are answering. I have to add ing. Here it is written, no? Add ing. So can you tell me where I have to add? COPYING. See here. COPYING. Copying. What you have to spell? How do you have to spell? Copying. Copying. Okay? Now number 3. C. SEE. Can you tell me how you have to write? You now know, no? You have to add ing to this word. SEE. What will come? Seeing. 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 Okay. Number 4 is destroy. Can you tell me? Destroy. You have to add here destroy. Destroying. Add ing. Just you only have to add ing. Destroying. 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 Destroy. Destroying. Destroy. Destroying. Work. 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 So what you have to do? Very good. Working. WORKING. Work. Working. Work. Working. Number 6 is dream. Tell me the answer while adding ing. DREAM. Dream. What you have to do here? Dream. Dreaming. 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 Dream. Dreaming. Dream. Dreaming. Okay, children? Now I hope you all have understood this. Okay. Now number 1. Brush. Brushing. See? Brush. Brushing. 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 Brush. Brushing. Copy. Very good. You all know. Copy. Copying. 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 Copy. Copying. Number 3. C. SEE. Seeing. 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 Destroy. Destroy. Destroying. 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 Destroy. Destroying. Work. 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 Working. Work. Working. working. Understood? Work, working. Dream, D-R-E-A-M, dream, dreaming, D-R-E-A-M-I-N-G, dream, dreaming. Understood, children? So I hope now you all have understood this. Okay, children? See, once again we will read. Brush, brushing. Copy, copying. See, seeing. Destroy, destroying. Work, working. Dream, dreaming. See now. Brush, brushing. Copy, copying. See, seeing. Destroy, destroying. Work, working. Dream, dreaming. Okay, children? Now I hope you all have understood how to add ing to the doing words to show that it is happening now. Okay, children? Yes. Now see here. See, there is an explanation. When we talk about one person or thing, we use am or is with the ing doing words. Okay? When we talk about one person, no? We use I, we use am and then ing. Okay, children? Am or is with the ing doing words. See, here examples are given. For example, I am, he is, it is. Understood? Now see, when we talk about more than one person or thing, see, when we talk about more than one person or thing, we use are. This we have learned, no? In the use of am is are. So you all know that when we talk about more than one person or thing, we use are. And see, here examples are given. They are, we are, you are. Understood, children? So again we will read this. This is in your textbook. This explanation is in your textbook also. Yes. When we talk about one person or thing, we use am or is with the ing doing words. Understood? When we talk about one person or thing, we use am or is with the ing doing words. I am writing, I am reading, I am playing. Okay? We can use is ing. He is writing, he is playing. Okay, children? Now it is. Here the examples are given. It is. It is walking, it is playing. Understood? Now see, when we talk about more than one person or thing, we use are. For example, they are, we are, you are. They are playing, we are writing, you are sitting. Understood? Very good. Well and good. See now. We'll study the table. See here, I have shown you. Study the table. So what I explained, you know. From this it will be very clear to you. See, one person. I am playing. Here ing is there, no? I am playing. Ing. He or she, it is playing. She, he, it is playing. This is for one person. For girl, boy, okay? Man, woman, that we have learned, The boy is playing. You are playing. When we are talking to other person in front of us, we use you. You are playing. Okay, one person. I am playing. She, he, it is playing. The boy is playing. You are playing. This is for one person. Now we have learned, when there are more than one person, we call many. Many people. For many people, what we use? We, they, girls, you. We use are. A-R-E, are. For more than one person or many people. Understood? See, I will read the sentence. We are playing. See, I am playing. But if I am playing with my friends, then there are many people, no? So we can tell that we are playing. I am playing means I am talking about myself only. But if I am playing with my friends, we can tell that we are playing. Okay, children? Now see. She, he, it is playing. If there is one girl, we can tell she is playing. If one boy, he is playing. If there is an animal, dog, it is playing. But if they all are playing, then what we will use? Are. We will not use is. They are playing. P-L-A-Y-N-G. Playing. Are playing. The action is going on. It is happening now. Understood? Yes. Now see. The boy is playing. If there is one boy and we see that the boy is playing, it is happening now. The action is happening now. So the boy is playing. Now if there are many girls playing, okay, so what we will use? The girls are playing. The girls are playing. Okay, children? Now you are playing. If one boy in front of us, we are talking about one person, we can tell you are playing. If there are more than one person playing, then we can tell you all, means you all together. You all, you are playing. You are playing. Okay, children? Now can you see the difference? One person, many person. E-M-I-N-G. Is ing, is ing, are ing. Okay, to show the action is happening now, we use ing for one person, and for more than one person we use are ing to show that the action is happening now. Okay, children? See, I will read once again. You have to study this table. One person, many person. I am playing. We are playing. She, he, it is playing. They are playing. The boy is playing. The girls, here many. The girls are playing. You are playing. You are playing. We know that we are using are with you also. So, now you all understood, no? To show that the action is happening now, we use ing to the doing words. Okay, children? Yes. Now I hope you all have understood this. How to use ing Today we did our exercise 1 also. Okay, children? Yes. So, do your work properly. If you don't understand, revise this video again so that you will able to understand it. Okay, children? Take care of yourself and understand this lesson very well. Do it with good handwriting, whatever the homework is given in the group. Okay, children? Thank you.